It's the right to communicate one's ideas, opinions freely without fear of external influence. It is the unalienable freedom of an individual to communicate his or her thoughts freely. My right to talk without interference is my freedom of expression. But do you know that this freedom has limitations? Let's go further, we'll understand better.
Nigeria, the right to freedom of expression is contained in Section 39 sub 1 of the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria. This section provides that every individual is entitled to freedom of expression, including freedom to hold opinions and receive and impact ideas without interference. However, this freedom of expression is it free when it is online?
What is freedom of expression online?
Right, it is my freedom to express myself, my thoughts, my opinions, and my ideas on the digital world without fear of censure or restrictions from the government. The importance of freedom of expression online cannot be overemphasized, especially in a country like Nigeria, where democracy is practiced. It allows for free flow of information, sharing of ideas, and also allows all the citizens to be able to hold the government accountable for their actions and also give constructive criticism. This can be done on social media platforms such as Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so many more. On freedom of expression online and its limitations, let's look at the story of Carrie, who abused her right of expression.
This is not true. In fact, I'm going to tell you no word about this.
You this girl! No. Hitting her is not the thing. I might not be saying it. She's following your footsteps. Just take a look at yourself. Is it not too obvious? Oh, Parisa Wallace.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
No challenge.
So, from what you told me about the phone,
Yes, sir.
I want you to know that the actions you're going to against the law and they are horrible.
Okay.
And as much as you try to express yourself, it amounted to defamation. You should know that Section 39 of 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria guarantees a right to freedom of expression.
Exactly.
It gives us the opportunity and liberty to air our opinions.
Exactly. I have the right to air out my view and opinion. Why would she sue me for that? Why?
Yes, you have the right, but you should also know that the right is not absolute. It can be used as a weapon rather than the protection. You know, that's why the Cyber Crimes Act in Section 1 sub 1 makes it unlawful, prohibits any unlawful commentary about anybody through any internet means or electronic means, especially without fact checking.
So, what you're trying to say now is that my daughter will go to jail because of the mere post.
Well, she would not go to jail necessarily, but if Miss Adi is able to prove before the court that she has suffered major damage caused by the post and comments of the daughter, then you'll have to pay.
That can't be nice. It hasn't gotten to that. Isn't that serious? I did not know.
now in time and day, millions of people that exercise their rights and how they want, post whatever they want, or whatever way they want, or because they have an access to the telephone and provide access to society. Well, you should know that you have to be conscious and very careful, especially when posting online, so not to be to exercise your own rights, your freedom, rights of other people.
So, Barrister, what he says, what is the way forward? What is the solution to this? Because as it is now, we are confused. We don't know what to do.
Yes, we're in a very tight corner. But first, I want you, Carrie, to write a public apology message addressed to Agatha of Perfect Fit Fashion House. You post it on that same social media platform with which you posted the first message.
Carry your phone.
That's nice.
Yes, and after she's done that, I will get across to the legal representative of the Perfect Fit Fashion House and see how we can settle out of court. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please, have you done that?
Yes, I've done that.
That's
So,
all
I
right.
don't know, I've seen it.
Welcome back. In summary, every citizen is entitled to the freedom of expression online. However, some provisions have been made to limit this right. Section 373 of the Criminal Code defines defamation as a matter likely to injure a person's reputation, exposing the person to contempt, hatred, and ridicule. It also defines the matter of defamation as an injury on a person's trade and profession as a result of the injury on the person's reputation. And the punishment for defamation is 1 year imprisonment as stated in Section 375 of the Criminal Code and Section 392 of the Criminal Code. So as content creators, online bloggers, and members of the community online, let's be cautious when exercising our freedom of expression online so that we don't constitute a breach to someone's right on the internet space. Thank you.